I'm going to pass that. Court calls the case People versus Aaron Bucko.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Hello. Go ahead, Mr.
Assistant Public Defendant Nicholas Bukovich on behalf of Mr. Bucko, who is appearing via Zoom.
All right, go ahead.
At this time, Your Honor, I had the opportunity to review the pre-sentence investigation report with Mr. Bucko. We have no deletions, corrections, or insertions. We would ask that the court adopt the recommendation of probation at this time.
All right. Mr. Bucko, anything you want to tell the court before I impose sentence?
Yeah, I just had a question. So, you last time that I had in-person court when I was in there and I seen you, you said that I could drive, correct? Like you said, I had that permit or whatever.
I did?
Yeah.
I don't know what that was in regard to you driving.
Okay. Well,
because typically I don't have. Normally, courts don't have anything to do with the. Oh, okay. That I would have indicated if your license showed here that your license is suspended, but you have a 625G permit.
And that makes me eligible to drive, correct? Like anywhere?
As long as there isn't another suspension. What were you going to say?
If he wants to call my office, I can pull his driving record and I can tell him. I know with this offense, there is a hard suspension.
Correct.
That he would, and then he would be on a restricted with coming to probation and any other requirements that this court put forth for a period of time, and then he can go and get his license reinstated.
I actually, you know what? I don't know that he can drive, and I will just say that because he has an implied consent refusal suspension. Okay. So he's got a hard suspension. So, sir, I don't know what our conversation was the last time. It looks, when I look closely at your record, that you cannot drive, but not. Okay. But that's mainly because of the implied consent suspension. And Ms. Polero, you call probation, they'll explain it to you in a little bit more detail. Okay. All right. Anything else you want?
No.
All right. The court acknowledges this is not a serious misdemeanor as defined by statute. However, it does believe there are reasonable grounds to depart from the presumption of a non-probationary sentence. The alcohol screening and assessment identifies the benefit of intensive outpatient treatment, attendance at AA meetings, and abstinence from all intoxicants. Therefore, the court will follow the recommendation of probation for a probationary sentence with the stated rehabilitative goals to promote change, prevent recidivism, and to monitor compliance of recommended treatment. Therefore, the sentence of the court, I'm going to place you on 12 months probation. You are to pay $855 fines and cost, $100 prosecution recovery cost, $100 police agency recovery cost, and $360 probation oversight fees. When can you get that paid, sir?
I can pay that today.
All right, thank you. Pay that today.
Wait, can I
Pardon?
Go ahead, I'm sorry. Go ahead, I'm sorry.
Okay. There should be no use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. You'll be subject to random testing as requested by probation. You are to complete intensive outpatient substance abuse treatment, including all recommended aftercare with status reports to probation. You're to attend one AA meeting per week with monthly verification to probation. You're to provide proof of victims' impact panel attendance to probation. I'll continue to scram for an additional 30 days in lieu of 4 days in jail. I'll order 93 days in jail. Credit 1, the balance is suspended. All right?
Alrighty, thank you. Yeah, and also, should I still go today for my check-in? Because
check-in. You're at community corrections?
Community corrections, yeah.
Yeah, you should continue to follow and comply with community corrections.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Alrighty, thank you. Have a good day.
You do the same.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Court does call the case People versus Theodore Edwards.
came from Mr. Goldstein's office at 9:30 this morning.
Okay. I have a request that this matter be adjourned to May 27th. Is that a sentencing date for me?
It is.
I'll adjourn this to May 27th, 2026. Is that at 9 or noon?
You're not to anywhere from 7.
12 noon. Court calls case people versus Wilmer Hudson.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Hudson, Your Honor.
Your name, sir?
Wilmer Hudson.
All right.
Your Honor, I've shared the pre-sentence investigation report with him. I have an alternative request. In lieu of condition number 5, getting an assessment, would the court allow us to have an assessment through our AIM division social work? And I can.
Well, I'd want a mental health assessment.
Well,
Would otherwise qualify. I'm not going to have an issue with it. But I want to make sure that it's a mental health assessment.
well, he has a letter that I've shared with probation today, kind of outlining things that were going on at the time of this incident, Your Honor, health related.
I'm going to order what probation's recommended. If another type of assessment or assessment someplace else satisfactory to probation, then I'm not going to have
Thank you, Your Honor.
otherwise.
Other than that, we don't have any other changes, deletions, or corrections at this time.
Mr. Hudson, anything you want to say before I impose sentence?
Yeah, I'm just gonna be better than the day on May 5th. I'm much better than that.
Okay. All right. That's good. Sentence of the court, 12 months probation, $555 fines and costs, $360 probation oversight fees. There is to be, when can you pay that?
On a fixed income, Your Honor.
Probation or a payment plan as arranged by probation. No use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. You'll be subject to testing as requested by probation. You're to complete a mental health assessment, follow all recommended aftercare or recommended care with verification to probation. There's to be no assault or threatening or intimidating behavior, no possession of weapons, firearms, or ammunition, or anything fashioned to be a weapon. I'll order 365 days in jail. Suspended. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Court does call the case people versus John Neer.
Put it on there. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Guys need to move out. Let Mr. Neary up.
Assistant Public Defender Nick Buckovich, I'm having Mr. Neary, who is now approaching.
Yes. All right. You just left her back there?
Well, I mean, she can walk with the cane and stuff. It's just tough on her.
It's tough on her? Okay, I'll let her stay back there.
Okay.
Huh?
All right.
Okay, now I can see her. I'm good now.
I had to bring her in. This is going to be the last day here, and all the prayers and everything like that, and the stuff that you showed me, getting a little extra time and stuff. I need to meet her anyway.
Yes, sir.
You know. Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Go ahead, Mr. Becker.
May we have you approach on this one briefly, Your Honor?
Pardon?
May we approach on this one
Briefly?